Hello everyone. Hi. I hope all of you are very good. So I'm here that I will let you know about how you can clear your GATE, your UGC NET 2021 exam. So I read all the questions on Quora and Facebook and some other platform uh, that someone all the students demanded that how you can prepare, how we can prepare about the GATE 2021 exam. So I prefer you that particular exam because I gone through with these exams and I cracked that particular exam with this help of this book. So I will explain you that this book is having a computer science and IT handbook. It is a handbook of a computer science. You can say it is a made easy publication book. So made easy publication book. Why I'm preferring this book because this book having uh, brief content in the sense that all the concept of computer science is having in very brief. So you can go through with this book all the concepts. All the concepts is not written in thoroughly, but you can say all the concepts having some formulas. So all the formulas is written here. So you can carry this book anywhere. So you can carry this book everywhere, anywhere. So by which you can learn this book and you can read this book because this book is very small in size, so it is very lightweight, so you can carry this book anywhere. So this is having advantage that if you are carrying anywhere this book, then you can read this book. So all the concepts is having in very brief. But if you want to go with the thorough knowledge of a particular topic, that means uh, do if you want to do all the study of all the concepts thoroughly, so you can prefer this book. This is also made easy book, a publication of a made easy. So I can refer you this book, Computer Science Gate 2020. It is a made easy book. That means by using this book, you can go with the all the thorough concepts of computer science, by which you can crack GATE exam and UGC NET, UGC NET computer science exam, or any PGT exam of computer science, or any scientist level exams like NILET is having also scientist B exams, and CDEC is also having some exams of computer science with which is scientist also. Some UPSC jobs is also there in February or March. So UPSC also conducted some posts like programmer. So there is vacancy in UPSC also. Right now, I think there is no link of UPSC for any post, but in March and for February, UPSC is also uh, uh, having post programmer. So right now, if you are preparing for any computer science exam, though I can prefer you these books, these two books. It is a very handy book. It is a handbook, so you can say very lightweight book. It is also publication of made easy book. So I'm not saying that these two books having very much. I'm not. I'm not a seller of any company. I'm not a made easy publications or seller, but I read through these books. So that is why I'm preferring you these two books to carry and prepare for your exam. If you are preparing for GATE 2021 and 2022, so you can prefer these two books, or UGC NET computer science exam. If you are having preparing for computer science, any computer science other posts like programmer or data processing assistant post is also in UPSC is there. So if you are preparing for any post, then I will let you know about all the posts. I thought you applied for these posts of UPSC of data processing assistant and some other posts like programmer. So if you are preparing for computer science exam, I will let you know all of the concepts of computer science on my YouTube channel. So kindly join my YouTube channel. I will know all I will let you know about all the concepts of computer science. Till then, like my videos, subscribe my videos, and do comment on my videos. I will reply on your comments, by which by which I can prepare some concepts on YouTube. Okay.